Good morning, everyone. Jill here with North Texas Vegetable Gardening, canning, recipes, a little bit of everything. And look at that sunrise. Guys, I'm not sure I've ever seen one like that. It almost looks like the moon. But anyway, it's kind of a brisk, cool morning this morning. It's probably about 59 degrees. We got lots of work to do today. Let me show you what went on a little bit yesterday. Hubs and our brother-in-law got in here and they were able to go ahead and finish framing out the bottom of the high tunnel, and they've started putting up the sides. They will start back on it shortly here this morning and finish up the sides, and then my husband will start framing out the front and the back of the high tunnel. But you can see it's coming along wonderfully. Beautiful.